It seems like after ages we've moved out, but this is our house for the next 24 hours, of course. And यही से हम अगर कुछ चंद कदम चलेंगे, she's gonna follow us. So everywhere we go, we have an animal along with us. At times dogs, at times cows. That's the best part. चलो 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 कुटे बीच कुटे चल रखो बीच कुटे. Welcome back to one more episode. My name is Sarvesh Breed and she's Kritika Savan. Along with me, we the True Travenians welcome you to a new vlog on our channel. I know we haven't been making any content from a very long period of time. Oh, that's cute.
So finally after zillion months we are traveling और एक छोटा सा vlog बना रहे.
Oh,
this is so pretty. Wow.
This is amazing.
She's all
तो अब आगे बढ़कर बात करते हैं ईराज एग्रो रिसोर्ट के बारे में. पालघर में ये लोकेटेड है. इसके सारी डिटेल्स हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको दे देंगे. इसके एंट्रेंस पे आपको एक प्यारा सा विला देखने मिलेगा और इसके पीछे एक्चुअल स्पेशल बिल्ड जो है ये जगह का वो आपको देखने मिलेगा. तो आगे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. सफिशिएंट स्पेस टू पार्क ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 7 कार्स एंड मोटरसाइकिल्स के लिए काफ़ी जगह है. स्पेशल ब्रेकफास्ट, डाइनिंग एंड लंच एरिया विद बुफे ऑप्शंस ताकि आप अपने पूरे फैमिली या ग्रुप के साथ में खाना खा सके. एम्पल ऑफ वाइट स्पेस, वेल मैनेज्ड विद सम आउटडोर गेम्स. एक छोटा कॉम्पैक्ट सा स्विमिंग पूल है जहाँ पे पूरा ग्रुप या पूरी फैमिली एक साथ एंजॉय कर सकती है. प्लेंटी ऑफ वाइट स्पेस एंड सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर हाउसेस. उसके साथ कुछ डेकोरेशंस और हैमक्स भी आपके बंगलो के बाहर है. Plenty of white space at the entrance with sitting arrangements outside, glass windows, crockery sets, good amount of space to place your luggage, wide soft bed. This is entirely an AC room. It has got a mini fridge in which you can store your drinks for your next 24 hours. Ample of space to keep your luggage. A small kettle if you are willing to have some hot coffee or hot water. Ample of drawers to store your smaller accessories. Wide, clean and hygienic washrooms and bathing area. That's the entire room tour, which is completely compact and perfect for a couple. So well, that's it for now guys. We will end this vlog right over here. We wanted to share all of the details about this location and I hope that we have given and shared all of the information about this location. Also, do not forget to check the description box which has few more details about the location. If you have any further questions, you can directly comment on this particular video. Please do like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this particular video along with your friends and couples who are willing to have a beautiful weekend outing at an isolated beach in Palghar. That's it for now. We Two Travenians signing out. We will see you in our next vlog. Thank you so much.